Is it time to buy or sell SOXL ETF? In this video, we will explore SOXL in detail. Our initial report was published on our website on the 28th of October, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You will not want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies around the globe today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be viewed as financial advice. Since the 28th of October, 2024, our system has ranked SOXL as a sell candidate, giving it a score of negative 1.62. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to see how it develops in the upcoming days. The exchange-traded fund is currently moving within a broad and horizontal trend, and we can anticipate further movements within this established pattern. The present 3-month trend indicates a possible change of 2% over the upcoming 3 months, with a potential return ranging from negative 23.75% to positive 22.17%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 27.13% over the next year, with a possible return between 1.49% and 164.30%. This translates to a price range of $35.88 to $93.43 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for SOXL includes the headline, SOXL ETF downgraded to sell candidate. The SOXL ETF price increased by almost 0.2% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 28th of October, 2024, rising from $35.28 to $35.35. It has now gained for 3 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see if it can continue this upward trend or if it will take a slight pause over the next few days. During the last trading session, the ETF fluctuated by 3.86%, with a low of $34.75 and a high of $36.09. The price has experienced significant volatility during this period, resulting in a loss of 13.4% over the last 2 weeks. Trading volume decreased on the last day by 30 million shares, with a total of 51 million shares exchanged for approximately $1.79 billion. It is important to note that declining volume alongside rising prices may indicate divergence, potentially signaling changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $70.08, while the lowest was $14.01. Currently, the price stands at 49.56%, or $34.73, below the 52-week high, and 90.65%, or $342.89, below the all-time high reached on the 26th of November, 2020. At that time, the price peaked at $378.24. The Direction Daily Semiconductor Bull 3 times Shares Exchange Traded Fund, or SOXL, has recently seen significant activity propelled by strong demand for semiconductor technology. From late October 2023 to July 2024, SOXL recorded an extraordinary return of nearly 400%. However, volatility plays a crucial role. Since its peak in July, shareholder value has been reduced by approximately half. This instability may deter conservative investors, but could attract risk-seeking traders in search of opportunities within the semiconductor sector. Recent reports highlight that the semiconductor industry continues to thrive, with the S&P 500 Semiconductors Index soaring over 80% year-to-date. This growth has been fueled by high demand, driven by advancements in artificial intelligence and developments in data centers, which have consistently boosted semiconductor sales. Hedge funds appear to be optimistic, accumulating technology stocks in anticipation of expected rate cuts. Such moves could further bolster investor sentiment and potentially increase SOXL's stock price in the short term. Nonetheless, the outlook is not without cautionary notes. Insiders have been selling shares, and current valuations are perceived as elevated. This situation could heighten the risks associated with the ETF, especially if market sentiment shifts due to external pressures or a slowdown in earnings from major semiconductor companies like Intel and AMD. In the long run, while SOXL's performance has been remarkable over the years, boasting over 2,085% growth in the last decade, investors must carefully weigh the volatility and inherent risks against the potential rewards. The following signals have been identified for SOXL. The SOXL ETF presents buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. However, there is a general sell signal stemming from the relationship between these two signals, as the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support may be found at levels of $34.82 and $35.06. If the price breaks below either of these levels, sell signals will be triggered. Interestingly, trading volume decreased during the last trading day, even as prices rose, leading to a divergence between volume and price, which could serve as an early warning sign. Thus, close monitoring of the ETF is advisable. Some negative signals have also been observed, which may impact the near short-term developments. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Monday, October 14, 2024, and the price has since declined by 13.4%. Further declines are likely until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 11 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 137 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 3 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 11 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 69 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 59 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for SOXL. SOXL finds support from accumulated volume at $34.96. This level could present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when this support is tested. This exchange-traded fund typically exhibits average daily movements, and with a healthy trading volume, the overall risk is deemed medium. Over the past day, the fund fluctuated by $1.34 between its high and low, equating to an approximate 3.86% change. For the past week, the average daily volatility has been around 4.75%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SOXL. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SOXL is at $37.51. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SOXL encounters its first support level at $34.96. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our assessment of this exchange-traded fund is unfavorable, and there is currently no stop-loss strategy implemented. Is the SOXL ETF a good buy? The SOXL ETF exhibits several negative signals and is currently trending downwards in a broad and declining pattern. As a result, we anticipate that it will continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks leading us to maintain a negative assessment of this ETF. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our conclusion from a hold or accumulate to a sell candidate since our last evaluation. After reviewing the volatility and price movements from the most recent trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 29th of October, we expect SOXL to open at approximately 4.67 cents and begin trading at $35.40. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is important to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.